Hey everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how super quick and easy it is to install SuperATV's rear cooler cargo box on a Can-Am Maverick X3. So the first thing that we're going to do is remove the following 4 screws. We're going to have one here, one down in here, and then in the same exact locations on the opposite side. So we're going to grab our T30 Torx and a 10mm wrench. We're going to take our wrench and go up underneath the machine and get it on the nut that's securing the bolt. So we'll just reach right up underneath, put our wrench on. Remove our hardware. So we're just going to remove all the factory hardware. Now we're going to grab the provided hardware in the kit. You're going to have a shorter bolt and then a long bolt. The long bolts are going to go towards the front of the machine, and then the short bolts are going to go towards the rear. You just want to make sure that you install the flat washer onto each of these. Then we'll grab our brackets. So this bracket right here is going to be a rear bracket, and it'll attach just like this. And then this bracket right here will be a front bracket. It'll have that bend on it. And this is going to be for the passenger side, and it'll install just like this right here. On the rear, we're going to use the shorter bolts that are provided in the hardware kit. We'll just slide them right down through, right where we just previously removed the factory hardware, and reach up underneath. Start your nut, and you'll use the provided nylock nuts that came in the kit. We'll go up here to the front. So the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and tighten down these brackets, but you want to make sure that you have them angled back just like this. And you may have to make some adjustments as you go, but you can slide a wrench up underneath here and tighten them after the fact if you do have to make an adjustment. So what I like to do is I like to just go ahead and snug them down to the point to where they are stationary. They're not going to move around on you, and then if I need to make any adjustments, I just come back through and make them. Still got a little bit of movement there if we need to adjust it. And we'll do the same thing up here on the front. So now we're going to grab our cooler cargo box and slide it into the bed of the machine. And we're just going to go through and get one screw in on each of the brackets, and you want to make sure that you have a lock washer and a washer. Those will both be provided in the kit. Let's go ahead and we'll get that one started. We'll come over here, get this one started. And once we have them started, we'll just go through and we'll install all of our thumb screws. And once you have all of your thumb screws started, you're just going to go through and fully tighten all of them. And there you have it. That's how super quick and easy it is to install SuperATV's rear cooler cargo box on the Can-Am Maverick X3. For more information on this rear cargo box or any of SuperATV's great products, feel free to give us a call at 855-743-3427 or check us out online at superatv.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.